Hello everybody, welcome to PlanningPME Web Access. Today I will show you how to create a PlanningPME account. So in order to do that, I will click now on Login. I will click now on I do not have any account yet. I will write down here an email. I will now write down a password. I will do this twice. I will write down here my full name. I will tick on the box, meaning I accept the general conditions of use, and I will click now on Create. I receive now a link in my mailbox, and I'm going to check that. This is it. I will click now on the link. This is activating my PlanningPME account. As you can see now, my PlanningPME account is now created. Another piece of information: if you've received invitation on this PlanningPME account I've just created, you will see all the invitation appearing here as a list. One last piece of information: you can connect on your PlanningPME account from every page of the PlanningPME website. So thank you for your attention and see you soon for new videos.